Most people get this wrong when trying to use Amazon Whole Foods discounts. They assume the discount automatically applies at checkout or that every Amazon customer gets the same deal. But here's the truth no one tells you. Whole Foods discounts are real, but they only activate under specific Amazon membership rules and in-store setups. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Amazon Whole Foods discounts work in 2026, how to activate them, and how to make sure you are actually saving money every time you shop. Let's start with the fastest way to use the discount. You need an active Amazon Prime membership. Without Prime, most Whole Foods discounts simply will not appear. Once you have Prime, open the Amazon app, and make sure you are signed in with the same account used for shopping. But here's the problem. Many people never link their Amazon account to the Whole Foods store system. That means even if they have Prime, the discount doesn't apply at checkout. To fix this, open the Amazon app, go to the Whole Foods section, and look for the in-store QR code. Now here's where it gets interesting. That QR code is the key. When you are at checkout in Whole Foods, you scan this code from your Amazon app. This connects your Prime account to the purchase instantly, and unlocks eligible discounts on select items. This is where most people fail. They expect discounts on everything in the store. In reality, Whole Foods discounts usually apply to specific marked items, weekly deals, and selected categories like fresh produce, packaged goods, and Amazon exclusive promotions. In a minute, I'll show you how to find the biggest hidden discounts before you even walk into the store. Next step, always check the deals section inside the Amazon app under Whole Foods. This shows you current in-store discounts that change weekly. Planning your shopping list based on these deals can save you a lot more than random buying. Another useful tip is using Amazon Pay at checkout where available. Some locations offer additional cashback or rewards when linked to your Amazon account. Also, keep an eye on Prime member-only sale days. During these events, Whole Foods often increases discounts on popular grocery items, and these deals are automatically tied to your account when you scan your QR code. To recap, you need an active Prime membership, link your Amazon account in the app, use the in-store QR code at checkout, shop marked discount items, and check weekly deals before you visit. That is how you maximize savings at Whole Foods in 2026. If this helped you understand how Amazon Whole Foods discounts work, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your best savings tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.